Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can add a border to an image in Microsoft Paint. So let's go quick into the process. So we need to open Microsoft Paint first. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Paint. Click on it under the best match. Now let me just quickly add or insert a photo or an image. Click on the file, click on open. And here I just need to simply scroll down and click on this photo, click on open. Then here at the options on the top, you will find shapes. Click on this one, the rectangle shape. Then you have here the shape outline, click on that. You can have here solid outline. And then click on this drop down arrow and then simply choose your fill. It could be solid fill. Click on this and choose your weight. And then your color. And now you just need to simply move this cursor to the sides of the. Now let's don't put a fill in it. No fill. It should be no fill, because if you go with solid fill, this will block the photo. So just go with no fill. And that's it. You have just added a border into your image in Microsoft Paint. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.